What if you could cut your editing time in half and let AI handle the heavy lifting for you? Imagine finishing projects faster than ever before, with professional quality results, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence inside Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're looking to save time, boost productivity, and unlock new creative possibilities, you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Paul, and over the last decade, I've edited thousands of videos for clients and personal projects. Today, video editing is not just a hobby. It's our full-time business, and it helped us reach over 100,000 students in 180 countries. We've earned passive income, built a life of freedom, and all started with learning Adobe Premiere Pro. These tools transform our workflow, and now I want to help you experience the same transformation. In this class, you've learned 10 powerful AI tools inside Premiere Pro that you need to know to take full advantage of AI. Adobe Premiere Pro is not just for traditional editing anymore. It's embracing the future with cutting-edge AI tools that will elevate your efficiency and creativity. These AI tools have saved me countless hours with just one click. Yes, it's amazing and incredibly simple to use. I'll walk you through 10 game-changing AI tools that will transform how you edit videos. We're not just talking about minor improvements. These AI features will completely change your editing process. From automatically adjusting audio and generating captions with a single click to removing backgrounds in seconds, these tools are designed to save you hours of work while boosting your creativity. And you don't need to be a tech expert to use these tools. I'll break everything down into simple, easy-to-follow steps, showing you exactly how you use each AI tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. You'll see firsthand how AI can make editing faster, more efficient, and most importantly, more fun. Whether you're completely new to video editing or have some experience, these tools will take your editing to the next level. Here's what we'll cover in the class. 1. How to automatically enhance your audio in seconds. Effortless caption creation with just one click. AI-driven background removal that saves hours of manual work. Automating repetitive tasks that used to take forever, and much more. AI in Premiere Pro is the future of video editing, and by the end of this class, you'll be using these tools like a pro. Not only will you work faster, but you'll also create videos that look and sound better than ever. Plus, you'll have the skills that will make you more competitive in today's fast-paced digital world. Whether you're a small business owner looking to create high-quality content for your brand, a freelancer editing client projects, or someone building an online presence, this class will equip you with the tools you need to succeed. So if you're ready to save time, boost your creativity, and embrace the future of editing with Adobe Premiere Pro's AI tools, let's get started.